Justin with Spyder Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to install projector headlights on a 02 to 05 Dodge Ram. As you can see here, it's a stock one, and this is the aftermarket projectors. All you really need today is a 10mm socket. All you do is put it here, just take it off. There's going to be 3 10mm sockets that you need to take off. 10mm screws. This is the second one right here. There's one more hidden underneath the headlight, but you could still reach it with the screwdriver or a tool. Make sure it's loose, don't drop the screw. Now next part, you're going to need a screwdriver. Take it off. You're going to need this part right here. And all you need to do is just use a panel popper, slide it in, pop out the light. On the back you'll see these wiring. All you have to do is just turn counterclockwise with the turn signal. And then put it out. There you go. Your stock light. Here's your new projectors. All you do is match up a female with a male. Just plug it in. And the turn signal. Go. Pretty much really easy plug and play. Once everything's put back into place, first thing you want to do is make sure you take your stock tab from your stock headlight, slide it in, tighten it down with a screwdriver, and draw your bolts back in. For now, I would suggest a finger tight for the screws, because you're going to need to adjust the headlight later on. I'm just using a tool to make things faster. The last one in.